eat too many strawberries, it will lead to terrorism. Why? Because you know, strawberries is because before I came here, I was a policeman, and I just did the undercover, and I realized that strawberry was one kind of, not a slogan, it's the one, I don't know how to say it in English. They just use strawberries to work with each other. When they meet each other, they was like, oh, strawberry? That tastes good. Okay, you are one of us. To do that. And so when you just eat lots of strawberries, and they may just think you are one of them. They may begin to, oh, you're one of us. Let's go to do something like that. You will lead, of course, that means they will have lots of more people join them, right? So the terrorism will become a serious issue because they have more members. So my advice for everybody here, because this is a very important message, stop eating strawberries. Reduce the number of terrorists. This is our duty, our responsibility for the children, for our future generations.